Okay, now we're going to have a pre-quiz for our test. This won't count for marks. This will just help you for the real test. Okay. Just let me make a few comments. Now, 0, 1. Okay. There you go. Here you go. Hi, Barbara. Okay, I'm back.
Hey! I have too many.
Papers.
Hello? Thank Miss Sinclair.
Hard.
Thank you. I didn't study for the test.
Don't worry, this will just tell me what I need to help you with.
Okay.
You can start now. Thank you, Maddie.
Here you go, Miss Sinclair.
Thank you.
Here you go. Thank you. Here you go, Miss Sinclair. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now read chapter 6 and talk to your friends about it when you're done. Everybody done?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now do questions 1 through 5.
What does it do?
Thursday, is that okay for everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yep.
Can I have one more day for it? I have dance, volleyball, and acro.
Yes, that's fine. You can have until Friday.
Thanks, Mrs. Sinclair.
No problem. Now get on those questions so you won't have homework.
Okay.
If you get it done early, you will get checked class. Now you're going to have a test. Shut your mouths. You don't have a choice.
But I didn't study.
Whatever, not my problem if you get a bad mark. Oh, boo-hoo. Stop crying, you little wimp. You can start now. Keely, why aren't you writing?
I don't have a pencil.
Well, then I'll just grade yours now.
What do you mean?
You get an F. What's with all this crying? You guys are all just little wimps. Everyone should be done now. Now do questions 1 through 14.
What?
This will be due tomorrow.
What?
If it's not, you will get an F. So get on it now. Keely and I have already marked yours.
What? No, you can't do that.
You get an F. There's nothing you can do about it, Keely.
That is not fair.
Good, Jackie teachers. Jackie teachers.
Oh my